Hi friends, this is Rakesh from Let's Make Learning Simple channel. So now we are going to see how we can reduce income tax using equity linked savings schemes. So the main concept of equity linked savings schemes is mutual funds. There are n number of mutual funds, but there are only few mutual funds that comes under section 80C non-taxable amount. You need to pick one of those mutual fund for making the benefits of section 80C. So first we will talk about the mutual funds. So what is a mutual fund? So mutual fund is there are various types of mutual fund. I will talk about the equity linked mutual funds. So if suppose if a company is running fine and if company needs some more money, means what the company would do is they would try to approach the public so that they can raise the funds. So if suppose if a company is in need of 10 crore rupees, what they would do is they would divide the 10 crore into n number of small amount like 100 rupees. That 100 rupees is the stock. So they divide the 10 crore into n number of stocks and each stock value would be 100 rupees. So the public now have the ability to buy one stock or 10,000 stocks like that. So you can directly invest in stocks. So I have some separate playlist for that. So please watch those videos for enhancing your knowledge. And since we are at the initial stages, you can also opt for mutual fund. Mutual fund means there is someone who is managing these things because they are managing stocks because for us. So try to use the mutual funds instead of investing stocks directly at the initial stages. So once you get some knowledge, you can directly invest in stocks. That's not a problem. So the minimum amount that you need to invest is near 500 rupees. You could invest any amount. The max, there is no limit for the max amount. The minimum amount is 500 rupees. So where you can invest in it, you can approach your authorized brokers. There are a number of authorized brokers. So each broker has some advantages and disadvantages. Try to pick the best broker from that. I used to invest in Zerodha broker. So if you need to create an account here for Zerodha, try to use my referral link that is present in the description box. So now we will see the advantages of the equity linked savings schemes. So if you compare the ELSS with the FD or PPF, the lock-in period is very much here. That the lock-in period is just 3 years, but in case of FD it's 5 years. But in case of PPF it's 15 years. So this is one of the main advantages. And then comes here any potential variance. Since we are indirectly investing in the companies, if a company is doing very well, then our mutual fund value would also increase. So this is another advantage, and you can also offer dividend. So we'll talk about dividend in brief manner. So if a company is doing well and very well, and if suppose a company is earning a huge profit, what the company would do is they will try to share that profit with the shareholders in terms of dividend. So they would try to split the total. They would try to divide the profit into a number of pieces. That is called the dividend. So you can also opt that dividend option so that you could receive some amount on regular basis, either quarterly wise or year wise. And then you can also offer SIP, systematic investment plan. Systematic investment plan, if you need to, if you're trying to invest 1 lakh rupees in mutual funds, if suppose you don't have that much money, so you can invest on regular basis, either daily basis or monthly basis or weekly basis, that doesn't matter. And then comes the disadvantages. So first and foremost disadvantage, and this is the only disadvantage actually, the risk factor is very high. For example, if a company is doing very well, means we would be appreciated that way. If a company is not doing well, then our mutual fund value is also decrease. It can be in negative side, it can be in positive side. So it completely depends on the company that we invest. So this is the only disadvantage of that. So if you are trying to invest using Zerodha account, and try to use my referral link that will be present in the description box. Thanks for watching. At the end of this video, you will see the channel icon here. Please click on that for subscribing the channel.